Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you that how to identify swing highs and swing lows. So without wasting time, let's get started. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to discuss the swing highs and swing lows. So what are the swing highs and swing lows? Swing high and swing lows helps you to identify the market structure shift or market structure or a breaker pattern. So for example, there are two types of swing lows, okay? One which has the short term low or high in the left of it and short term high on the right of it, okay? And the another one is the one which fills the gap and takes the another swing low. So for example, if you guys can see in this one, okay, this example, this swing point, okay, it filled this gap and went down and took this swing low, right? So this is now swing high and this is a swing low. So this is the first example of a swing high or low, okay? First it should fill the gap and then it should go and take this swing low. And another one which is by its own, for example this one, this is a swing low which has a short term low in the right of it and short term low in the left of it, okay? And these are the two types of swings which you have to look for. So over here, as you guys can see, that there was a market structure shift, right? So you don't have to wait for this market to get a market structure shift over here. You will be fast in the market and you will be the first one to place your trade in the market. So when this candle broke this swing high, so this is a market structure shift for me, okay? And then it left a fair value gap also over here. So another one, if you are looking for bullish scenario like this, okay, so whenever, like for this swing low broke this swing high, okay, so now if you are bullish, now this swing low should not be broken. If this is broken, all of your analysis was wrong and everything which we did, which we planned to take a trade was wrong. It was not with the bias, okay? So this swing low should be protected, okay, because this swing high was not protected. So what does it mean? That now price has shifted, now price will have to go to the upside. So this the same thing happened, right? It went up, gave a market structure shift, this swing high was not respected, but this one is respected, as you can see, right? Came down and it went for one more time towards the upside. And after that there was another swing low over here. Why this is a swing low? Because this filled this gap and then went up and took this structural high, swing high, right? And then what happened, like price came till over here, respected this swing low, okay, and then price kept moving forward. This what I am trying to say, like I want to show you that like this type of swing highs and lows are only respected in the markets, nothing else, okay? There are two types of swing high. Don't overcomplicate it by learning the short term high and short term low, okay? Only focus on swing highs and swing lows. There are only two types of swing highs and swing lows. One which has short term high in the left of it and short term high in the right of it, and one the extreme point. There's a one type of word, swing high or swing low, and another one is the one which fills the gap and then goes towards the downside and takes another swing, okay? And the same thing happened over here. If you guys can see, there was a fair value gap and it was forming a swing low, right? So it gave a market structure shift right over here and then it went up. Now this swing low should be protected if you are bullish, okay? If price comes and breaks this swing low, so it means that we were wrong in our analysis. We should wait for another confirmation for our bullish bias and then we will take the trade in it. And another one which is the questions of few of my students, for example like this one, they say like how to identify the first example of swing low, like because whenever, for example, like there are lots of like this type of thing, right? How we will identify which candle is a swing high, okay, or swing low? For example, the longest extreme point, okay, so this is the extreme point right over here, so this will be what, this will be our swing low. And like second shortest one is this one, so this will be the short term low and left one will be short term low. So like this is only how you can understand this, so there will be no confusion as I told you over here. And I should show you the more examples. in few charts. Wait, see right over here, this is a little bit congested. See right over here. Okay, this was the structure, swing low, this was a swing high, right? And then price did all of his thing which he has to do, and then it gave a structural low that shift to the downside and took what? This swing low. Now this swing is not respected. So what does it mean? It means that price is seeking for what? Sell side, because it's not respecting the swing lows and it's respecting the swing high. There was this swing high, right? And if you are taking sell on this fair value gap right over here, so it means that you will have to not this high should be respected. Okay, if your bias is good and if it will be going for a bearish scenario, this high should be protected and the swing lows should not be protected, but the swing high should be protected if your bias is bearish. I should show you more examples and after that I will close the video. Right. And sometimes this what will be happen with you. Okay, this is where you will take the loss. That's why I say bias is universal, right? Because everywhere you have to use your bias. So bias was bullish right over here, but the thing what happened over here, as you can see, there was a market structure shift with this swing low, right? It got broken right over here, but the thing is that it went up and didn't respected your fair value gap and all. This what happens when your bias is wrong. So that's why I made a bias video. Also you guys can check out that video which will help you in trading. But for this, if you know this, you can trade on like ranging markets and all of that. But the thing is, your bias should be correct most of the times. See, for example, this scenario over here, it gave a market structure shift. Okay, and so this is a word. This is swing high. Market breaks this swing high. So now if you're looking for a buy, okay, this swing low should be protected. It came down, filled the whole gap, okay, and then it shorts to the upside. And the same thing happened right over here. It's a news, I guess. See, this was a swing low. Why this is a swing low? Because there was a fair value gap right over here. It comes and breaks this one, okay, then it goes back up till what? There was a one fair value gap. It goes into little bit drawdown, but then it came back down one more time, and then as you guys can see, there was another fair value gap right over here, small fair value gap, fills into this fair value gap and then goes down and down. So this is what I am trying to say, okay? Swing highs and swing lows are the important thing. There are only two types of swing highs and swing lows. One which is made by them own, and another one which fills the gap and goes and take the another swing high or swing low. So this is the only two ways to find that what levels should be respected. What levels will be respected. If you're taking buy, the swing low should be protected, okay? So your stop loss placement will be at the swing low if you're taking buy, and if you're taking sell, that their stop loss will be at the swing high. So this is what I was trying to speak. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe if you're new here, okay? And if you have any questions, write down in the comment section and let me know that on what topic should I make more videos on. So, and check the links in the bio, okay, to take your trading to the next level, as it will be help you in your trading. So until next time, wish you good luck and good trading.